In this video, you will learn how to add WebAssign to your Brightspace by D2L course using a WebAssign section you've already created. Before you begin, make sure you have a Cengage instructor account to sign into WebAssign. Also, make sure you either have created or gained access to your Brightspace by D2L course. Let's start in your Brightspace course. To get started, navigate to Course Admin and under Site Resources, select Course Builder. In the Add Content section on the left, locate the Cengage icon and drag and drop it into the module you would like to add assignments to. The first time that you connect, you'll be asked to link your Brightspace account with your Cengage instructor account. Here you'll select the type of product you want to search and add to your course: homework platforms and ebooks, Cengage Infuse and ebooks, or just ebooks. Once you make your selection, your search will only bring up the products that fall into that category, providing for a more streamlined search experience. To find your WebAssign product, choose Add Homework Platform. You can search by title, author, and keyword. Once you've located your title, click on the Link to Course button to begin the course creation process. If your search comes up with Title Not Found, you may be searching in the wrong category. Simply click the Back to Cengage link to return to the Content Category Selection screen. If you still do not see the title you're looking for, connect with your Cengage account executive or learning consultant. Now you can either copy your WebAssign course or link to a WebAssign course you've already created. Your WebAssign course is where you will manage all of your WebAssign activities, such as homework assignments, quizzes, and tests. If you've already copied your WebAssign course, select Link to an existing course or section. If you have a WebAssign course that you want to reuse, select Copy from my existing WebAssign course. If you have a class key from another instructor's course you want to copy, select Copy from another instructor's WebAssign course. Otherwise, select Create a new WebAssign course to create a new course. We'll copy from an existing course. Your unlinked courses and sections with no student enrollment for the selected title are listed. Select the course or section you want to link and complete the fields. If you were to choose Link to an existing course or section, you would follow the same steps of choosing the appropriate course available to you. After completing the required fields for copying your course, click Continue. You'll receive a confirmation that you're about to add a link to your WebAssign course in your Brightspace. Click Continue. Once your link has been imported, you'll be redirected to Brightspace. If you expand your module, you'll now see that a WebAssign course with a link has been sent to your module. Let's now navigate to Content to view our link and access WebAssign. You may want to consider renaming the link to something more meaningful to your students. To do this, select the action next to the course name and select Edit Properties in Place. If your course requires that students purchase an access code, it's a good idea to make sure that this link is set to open in a new window by clicking Open as an external resource. Let's click the link to finalize the setup process. Next, you'll need to link your course or section activities from WebAssign. For additional help and resources, please visit our training and support site.